Today we're going to be making my all-time favorite campfire breakfast dish. It's easy to make. You can take it backcountry camping with you, and it looks incredible. If you bust this one out at a campsite, you'll be making friends and influencing people in no time. For our bacon breakfast roll, you're gonna need a full pack of bacon, some cheese, an onion, red peppers, and 2 potatoes. Now, that's what I use, but you can add anything you like here. Mushrooms, chilies, green onions, anything you will enjoy for breakfast. If you're backcountry camping, what I usually do is I take the bacon and the cheese and I freeze it, wrap it in newspaper, then wrap it in my clothing and put it in my pack so I know it'll be fresh on day 2 or 3 depending on how hot it is. And then I use the newspaper to light my fire. I'm going to start by chopping our red pepper into nice small pieces. Now that we've chopped the red peppers, we're going to do our onion. Now we're dicing our potatoes. I like to leave the skin on. I give them a good wash beforehand, but there's a lot of nutrients in skin. Feel free to peel them if you don't like skin. My camping pan tends to stick, so I also will rinse or soak these potato cubes in water to remove some of the starch so that they are less likely to stick. Once you've got all your ingredients chopped finely, you just put a little oil in your pan and cook them over. First up are our potatoes because they take the longest. We're going to add the other ingredients now and cook it. So stop. Let's go for it. Once your filling is cooked, you're going to add your 3 eggs. Give it a good stir. So once you've laid your strips vertically like this, you're going to take the other half of your pack of bacon and you're going to weave it through to make a nice bacony lattice. So go over one, under another, right up until the end. There you go. So you place your filling in the center, cheese on top. Use your foil to gently wrap your filling in its little bacon blanket. Tuck in any stray bits. Fold the sides in nicely. And bake on each side for 10 minutes on a medium fire. For 10 minutes on both sides. Remove the foil so the bacon can brown. Thanks so much for joining us today. If you want more campfire recipes, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye.